Well guys, today I want to share a very important update with you, and I would request you to please share this video with your friends and family so they also come to know. What happened is, you are trying for a cruise ship job, right? And most of you also got selected. So once you all be on board, I'm sure you will go out, see the places and all that. This incident which I'm going to tell you right now, it happened with one of my friends. She was there in Spain. So she works in cruise ship and she was roaming around, but of course seeing the places and all that. The mistake which she did is she was carrying her all the belongings, the important documents, plus she was carrying around $500 and a mobile phone with her, which is quite normal. But what happened is, one biker came and snatched his purse and ran away. So everything was there in her purse. The mobile phone, the money, everything got stolen on the spot. So I would request you, if you got selected on a cruise ship and if you are going out to Rome, please do not carry such amount of money and do not carry important belongings. So what you can do, carry around $30, which is more than enough to survive on land for 2-3 hours. You don't have to carry $500. So guys, this is a small request from Cruising with Goldy. Please do not carry very important documents and so much cash, so no place is safe. For more update, please subscribe to my channel Cruising with Goldy on YouTube. You can follow me on Instagram also. I will see you in my another video. Bye.